Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog training clickers that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the PetSafe Clik-R dog training tool. A compact dog clicker for training your pooch to obey commands and do tricks. It's a brightly colored purple and green, and is a strong little device that will fit into your hand securely using the elasticated finger loop. Because it's so easy to hold onto, you are more likely to use it regularly and get the best results. It's small enough to fit into your pocket when you are out on walks. Despite its small size, it is certainly loud enough to gain your dog's attention. There is also a useful guide to how to use the clicker so that you can get the most out of your purchase. Moving on, at number 4, we have the StarMark dog training clicker. An ergonomically designed pet training clicker that feels comfortable in your hand and that has a textured surface so it will not slip out of your hand when you are holding it in your palm. It provides a useful and reliable method of training your dog in a consistent and reliable way. The simple action and robust design makes this a cost-effective clicker's option. It even has a built-in loop that will fix to a keychain or a lanyard. The internal clicker is made from high-quality stainless steel that resists corrosion and is easy for your pooch to hear. This training method has been scientifically proven to be effective, and the clicker comes with a step-by-step training guide. Even if you are a beginner, you will soon be able to train your dog successfully with this device. At number 3, we have the EOS City dog clicker with wrist strap. Available in 4 colors, this pet training clicker can be used for training sheep, chickens and birds as well as your dog. It's a perfect way of communicating effectively with your pet and establishing good behavior and control. Start off training your pup with this and obedience will soon be under control. It is a small and compact size that fits neatly into your hand. However, to make sure you don't drop these clickers when you are using them, there are wrist straps made from coiled elastic and strong metal clips to secure the clicker in place. The operation is smooth and reliable. You simply press the button and it springs straight back up without getting stuck down. The dog clicker sound is not too loud and will not startle your dog, but is loud enough to gain their attention when you are carrying out clicker training. At number 2, we have the Pryor clicker training click stick for fogs. If you are looking for the best dog clicker for agility training, these Pryor clickers will be the product for you. They combine a reliable dog clicker with a target stick. Because the stick is retractable, the clicker is easy to carry around with you and takes up hardly any room when it is not in use. Target training is made simple with this clicker. Because you have the target stick and the clicker in one device, it frees up your other hand during training sessions. There's less for you to carry and to drop on the floor. When the target stick is pulled out, it extends to between 6 and 23 inches, making it perfect for a dog trainer who is teaching a dog to weave in between poles, walk to heel or to send away and go out. It comes with a belt clip so that you can store the clicker safely when you are not using it. And finally, at number 1, we have the SUNRO 7 dog clickers with wristbands. SUNRO's dog clickers come with a convenient attachment to a stretchy, elastic band that you can put around your wrist. The included keyring loop also means that you can attach these colorful clickers to your own set of keys or your bag with ease. This is a dog clicker that is designed with practicality in mind, allowing dog owners to always have an effective and useful tool at their disposal. With these dog clickers, you'll be able to continue your dog's training no matter where you are. Give one to each member of your immediate family and still have spares to keep around your home. Switch out your dog clicker for another color to match your dog's leash for the day. Owning a large set of easy-to-use, non-electronic dog clickers gives you so many possibilities. With a clicker, there's no negative reinforcement in your dog's training, so they can learn tricks and commands without getting stressed out, which means you won't be stressed, either.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon